Welcome, sir. It's an honor that you graced the event for us. I'd now like to call the visionary director of Savi. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Abhinay Dio. Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to call the person who is being loved by everyone. Her performance is being loved by everyone. And she's now become a global sensation. Give it up for Divya Costa! Welcome, welcome Divya ma'am. I'd like to call a very integral part of the team, Mr. Vishesh Bhatt on stage as well. Guys, give a huge round of applause everyone. Welcome, welcome sir. And lastly, the co-producer of Savi, Sakshi Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, थोड़ी आवाज करो यार for the entire team. So, Savi has been a labor of love of everyone involved in this film, from the crew to the production team to the cast. And the film's testament is about the hard work that everyone has given it, and the success is clearly visible. So my first question is to you, as a producer, it's trending everywhere. How does it feel as a producer?
See, as a producer, one thing is very clear that we are hungry for the creative appreciation that we get from audiences. And that's what we work for. For us, that is our food, our water. And when we took off for making this film, we had a belief in the story. And we came with a certain amount of with which each one of us put our heart and soul in -6 degrees in Liverpool. It's not a joke. But we believed in the script, we believed in our content. People talk that content is king, but nobody actually does that, follows that. People are still stuck in that stupid star system of the country. And that is a writing on the wall that star system is dead now. And thank God. It had to go one day or the other. I'm very happy about it because I'm one person who walked away from the star system in the year 2000. And I feel that was the best decision I made in my life. Because we believe in just making good stories. Because big movies don't work, but big ideas always work. And Savi is that big idea. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wise words. And truly, it's a global success, and it shows. Abhinay, sir, how does it feel? You know, your vision has finally worked. Everyone is loving it. What is your reaction as a director?
See, I really feel that when we began this film as a team, starting from Mukesh sir and then all of us joined in, the vision was always to try and make the best film out there, put our best foot forward. And I think we did that. And when we see the appreciation, it only affirms to us that basically that's the only way forward. You know, as a director, I feel extremely proud of what we have made. I can't even begin to tell you the appreciation that we are getting from all across the globe. And that actually gives us as Mukesh sir very rightfully said, that what will work is good ideas, well executed and made in the right way. And that's it. And I think that's what it gives us the confidence to go and make more stuff like this. So I'm extremely happy, and thank you very much for the rest of the world who is actually appreciating it for us. Thank you.
Absolutely. I think the film has resonated with so many people globally that it speaks for itself. Divya ma'am, I feel this is one of your best performances, and even the internet is agreeing to me. Now, do you feel when you look back at the journey, you know, all the challenges you faced, all the hard work you've put in, all the injuries, the camera, the BTS that we saw, do you think now it's worked? Because now you've become a global sensation and you've carried the film on your shoulders. How are you feeling right now, ma'am?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Thank you for being here and celebrating our success. and making Savi so big. I think the credit goes to the audience truly for all their love and support. Without you all, we wouldn't have been standing here today. And I'm just feeling so thankful, so grateful. I want to thank the Almighty above. I want to thank my mom above. And of course, I want to thank these two gentlemen here, Bhatt sir and Abhinay sir, who supported me I think Bhatt sir told me like n number of times that you're like Sakshi to me, you're like Sakshi to me, and he truly meant it. I really felt working in this production that it was my family I'm working with. And I think जब आप कोई भी फिल्म करते हो तो बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बातें बोलते हैं आपको, बट मैंने देखा वो कभी भी सच नहीं होती. People just keep saying so many things. But Bhatt sir ने मुझे जो बात बोली, each and every sentence turned out to be true. So I have to give it to you. Thank you for this opportunity.
I said it from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And Abhinay sir, I think it was it was my good fortune that I got to be directed by him, because I knew always that I had it in me, but you can't perform without a good director. I think filmmaking is truly a director's vision, and his thoughts, his clarity of vision, he was so clear that we shot the film in such a good speed, and everything was so organized on the set. In fact, a lot of our unit is here and they were so happy. Even on the sets, we were all smiling and happy, and I think जब पूरा set खुश होता है, दुआएं देता है, तो वो लगती है, कहीं ना कहीं picture को लगती है. And thank you Vishesh, thank you Sakshi for accepting me as part of your family, always making me feel at home. So thank you everyone.
Absolutely. I think give it up for Divya and everyone. The efforts that the entire team has put in is now visible globally. Vishesh sir, it's ruling charts. Savi is everywhere. How has your journey been, and how do you see this success and collaborating with, of course, Abhinay sir?
Check now. Yeah. So I came a little later on this film, but what I saw was the team was magnetic, and usually I worked on enough movies over the years where there has been times where you want to run away from the team because it's probably a toxic environment, people are not enjoying themselves. But Savi almost, I'm saying even during the making, was magnetic. There was something that brought the team together. It was good to be around the team of Savi, which is all here. And it had this innocence and this energy that was very unique. And I feel at that point it made me feel that there was something special being made. It was done in its own pace, its own time. It was not competing with anything, and was done very naturally and realistically. So when they made it in Liverpool is when I met them first, and after that I got just invested in being a big cheerleader. That's what I've been throughout the process of Savi. And towards the end, where it was even with the creatives or anything else being today, it's glad to be part of a crew that celebrates itself right from the beginning when they start making it, and I think that's what has probably somewhere transformed into the audience liking this film. Thanks.
Check. Yeah, absolutely. Sakshi, as a... Check. Okay, thank you. As a co-producer of a film and a woman as well, what was it when you first read the script of Savi and you decided, we have to do this now?
So honestly, this story originally had it had a long journey, and then at one magical moment we decided that this role should be played by a woman. And then everything and every puzzle, every piece of the puzzle fell into place. And then she came into the picture, he came into the picture, and the writers, Aseem and Parvez came into the picture, and a beautiful character was written and a beautiful story was written. And now looking back, I mean, doesn't look like it was such a long journey. It seems like it happened so effortlessly. And honestly, this was the best culmination of the entire journey that happened. And as a producer, I'm just thrilled. And I'm so moved that today it's finally out there for the whole world to see, and everybody is appreciating this. So what else can we ask for?
Sure. Okay. Yeah. So, Savi is a heart-touching story of a woman, who fights for her husband, fights for her family, and I know it's been an incredible journey. But if you all had to pick one moment from the set or from the film or after that, which has been very special and which is going to stay forever, what would that be? So,
On the set, there's nobody better than the director can talk.
First of all, it's very difficult for me to actually take one moment out because it was an absolutely fantastic journey. And again, the most important part here is that a film can never be made by just 3 people or 5 people. It is made by almost a whole bunch of people who believe in the vision. And that bunch is right here with us. My entire team is here. Our entire team is here. We want them to come here. Having them on the set every day was the most.
come on everyone, give it up for the entire team of Savi.
This is our entire team. Come guys, all of you have to come on. Come.
आ जाओ, स्टेज बहुत बड़ा है, पूरी टीम आ जाएगी. Give it up for the entire team of Savi, everyone.
Whoa! So working with them, guys, working with each one of them has been an honor and a pleasure. And I think they made every day a special day for us on this movie. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Give it up for the entire team of Savi.
This is the brigade which worked day and night, with smiling without any complaints in the oddest of weathers, having full belief in what they are doing, and the result is having. Thank you very much, Ishwar.
Thank you to the entire team. I think this entire team is responsible for Savi reaching to 21 countries and trending globally. Give it up for the entire team.
And I'll say thank you to the media. I think y'all need to really support films for their stories, and if the audiences like them. The media plays a very important role for more Savis and other films to be made, because if the media doesn't support it, we won't have good stories left anymore to be told. We are going through a very difficult phase in the film business, and we need more cheerleaders. So I just wish that the media comes and supports films like that more. Thank you.
Check. I think now it's time that we take some questions from the media for the team. They have for the team of Savi. I think we have a hand up here. Here, there's someone here.
Yeah, my question is to Ajinkya. This Ajinkya Dev. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
Check.
This movie, the title itself, is supposed to be based on the ancient Hindu legend of Savitri. So, this claim which are got in multiple countries around the globe, do you think it signifies greater awareness and acceptance of Hindu culture in that sense?
Well, first of all, what I think is that Savitri's story, okay, is such a fabulous story out of our mythology that pretty much every Indian at some stage of a certain age would have definitely known about it. And we had a character out of our film, the main protagonist that Divya plays, loosely kind of based on what she does is literally like nothing less than what Savitri did. So, two things resonate with people. One is the mythological story itself, and second is the story of what in the modern day and time a woman who is so simple and so vulnerable can actually achieve. So I think that has resonated. Today's Savi has resonated as much as the older Savitri would have resonated in people's stories. So I believe that is the success of the film.
सावी की टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारक. दिस इज सिमरन सिंह हियर. कैसे हैं आप? मुबारक हो भट्ट साहब, मुबारक हो देव साहब एंड दिव्या. कांग्रेचुलेशंस. मेरा सवाल ये बनता है, आफ्टर वॉचिंग द फिल्म मुझे ऐसा लगता है देयर इज एन एम्पल स्कोप ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट. सो इसके ऊपर अब तो सक्सेस होगी, 15 घंटे में चल गई तो होगा भी. ग्रीन लाइट समझे सेकंड पार्ट को?
जरूरी नहीं है कि हर फिल्म को एक हम फ्रेंचाइज बना दें. वुमेन देखिए, वुमेनहुड के ऊपर आप 1000 कहानियां बना सकते हैं बिकॉज अ वुमन इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल स्पीसीज ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. 10,000 times more powerful than the men. And on women, sky is the limit. So there are so many ideas, there are so many scripts. भंडार है कहानियों का. We can make all different better films with Savi also. So I would say this is just the beginning. More women-oriented stories will come. Thank you.
दिव्या, what would you add? आप चाहते हैं कि सावी पार्ट 2?
I'm really rooting for Savi Part 2. And in fact, my director here, I think he has some plot also in mind. उनके mind में कुछ है. Even I want to know कि आगे क्या हुआ, कहाँ गए, किधर गए, क्या किया, because that excitement is like I want to watch the story. So, हाँ जी, there are questions, but it can only happen once Bhatt sir agrees. So maybe.
यार ऐड करने के लिए तो मैंने तो फिल्म की शूटिंग के समय उसकी दूसरी पार्ट का प्लॉट भी लिख दिया. तो वो तो आइडिया तो ऑलरेडी है. बाकी सारी टीम तो यहीं पे है, यहीं से शुरू कर सकते हैं. लेकिन द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन हियर हु हैज टू एक्चुअली बी इन एग्रीमेंट विद
जब सच्चे दिल से आपकी एक टीम खड़ी हो जाती है ना, तो उससे ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी प्रोड्यूसर को और क्या मिल सकता है. Technicians are more dependable than the so-called big stars. Any day. If I have to put my money, I'll put every single pie in my pocket on my technicians. Because they are the true warriors and they are the people who will see me through in the journey. So I bank on them more than anybody else.
भट्ट साहब, मेरा सवाल आपसे, आप सिनेमा जब से बना रहे हैं, जब एक सिंगल स्क्रीन हुआ करती थी, 25 हफ्ते के बाद ही किसी फिल्म की कामयाबी तय होती थी. आज चीज़ें बदल चुकी है, बहुत दरवाजे खुल चुके हैं, फिल्मों को सफलता आसानी से मिलती है और हमारी बॉलीवुड की फिल्में हिंदुस्तानी फिल्मों में दुनिया भर देखी जा रही है. क्या कहेंगे सर आप इस पर?
देखिए, जब मैंने अपने कैरियर शुरुआत हुई थी तो सिंगल स्क्रीन का ही ज़माना था, मल्टीप्लेक्स नहीं थे. मगर उस वक्त ना टेलीविज़न था, ना सैटेलाइट था, सिवाय थिएटर और कोई माध्यम ही नहीं था एंटरटेनमेंट. सो दे हैड नो चॉइस. आज चॉइस है. आज आपके पास इतने ऑप्शंस हैं एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, इतने विंडोज हैं, तो भी वो पूरा माहौल चेंज हो गया. एंड यू शुड चेंज विद टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि लोगों ने कंजम्पशन कम कर दिया कंटेंट लेने का. OTT के आने से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, मगर तरीका चेंज हो गया. अभी आपको ये देखना है कि आपको कौन सी कहानी बिग स्क्रीन के लिए बनानी है और कौन सी इंटीमेट स्क्रीनिंग के लिए करनी है. दोनों का एक स्कोप है और दोनों का एक सक्सेस रेशियो बन सकता है.
We'll take one last question.
Hi, नीतू from दैनिक भास्कर. मेरा सवाल दिव्या आपसे है. पहले तो बहुत बधाई आपको. थिएटर्स में भी फिल्म ने अच्छा काम किया है, OTT भी बहुत अच्छा करी है. आपने कहा था जब हमने बात की थी तो बहुत वेट किया है आपने इस मोमेंट का, बहुत संघर्ष लगा, बहुत साल लगे. तो क्या फील कर रहे हो आप? क्योंकि एक वो था जो आप ड्रीम कम ट्रू हुआ है आपके लिए. सो वो एक क्या मन में चल रहा है, किस तरह की थॉट्स आ रहे हैं और कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको, वो मैं जानना चाहूँगी.
हाय नीतू जी, बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है। एक्चुअली जब मेरी पिछली पिक्चर यारियाँ 2 से पहले नहीं चली थी, मैं एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूँगी। तो उसके कुछ 20-25 दिन बाद मैं वैलेंटिनो के स्टोर पे गई और मैंने ये ड्रेस खरीदी और मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये सावी की सक्सेस पार्टी पर पहनूंगी। और ये कुछ 8-9 महीने पहले की बात है और तब तक पिक्चर की डेट भी डिसाइड नहीं हुई थी। तो आई थिंक आप जब मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, आप सोचते हैं कुछ भी, यू नो, इट्स आई फील एवरीथिंग इज अ मेंटल गेम। अगर आप वो चीज़ सोच सकते हैं तो आप अचीव कर सकते हैं। बस ये देरी है कि आप उसे सोचें, तो आप अपने माइंड को और ओपन कीजिए और बड़े बड़े सपने सोचिए। सो आई थिंक दिस गिव्स मी मोटिवेशन टू ड्रीम बिगर, टू अचीव बिगर, टू वर्क मोर हार्डर, and I'm feeling very thankful to God, to my mother who gave me her blessings for this, and to the entire audience who's accepted us with so much of love। दूसरी बड़ी पिक्चर भी रिलीज हुई बट हमने कहीं गुना आगे उससे बढ़ गए, जिसमें बड़े बड़े स्टार्स थे। हमारी पिक्चर में कोई ऐसा स्टार नहीं था, मेरे शोल्डर्स पर ही पिक्चर प्रमोट हुई। तो बस हमने बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया, बहुत जेन्युइननेस के साथ काम किया, खुशी काम किया और पूरा यूनिट बहुत खुश रहा। तो आई थिंक सबकी दुआएं लगती हैं पिक्चर को।
Absolutely. Okay.
One last question.
Okay, sure.
Hi Divya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Divya, अभी आपने manifestation की बात की है, जैसे कि आपने शादी के लिए भी manifest किया था। इसके अलावा और क्या manifestation है आपका?
एक्चुअली आठ था, यू नो, और सब लोग बोल रहे थे आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है। तो आप सब अभी भी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं जो भी आप अपनी लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहें, बिकॉज आज टुडे इट्स 888 एंड इट्स सो कोइंसिडेंटल बिकॉज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं अपना सक्सेस आज। इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल डे।
Absolutely. So,
देखिए क्रेडिट ना, ये पूरी टीम जो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले खड़ी थी ना, उनको सबको मिलना चाहिए। बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं होते तो हम नहीं कर पाते, और अगर हम नहीं होते तो आप नहीं देख पाते। तो आई थिंक द क्रेडिट गोज टू द एंटायर टीम एंड नेवर टू जस्ट टू पीपल। बट थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर फीलिंग्स।
thank you. On behalf of T-Series and Vishesh Films, I'd like to thank everyone for being here. And we'll do a quick picture first. Photo op. Mukesh sir, एक photo op कर लेते हैं, photo op. We'll do the photo.
Yes, look here. Sorry. Look here. Sevi.
Yeah, from your right to left.
Center.
From your right to your right, please.
Center. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Thank you.